say hi!
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had.
So, it's my mom's graduation day! Don't look at me! And here's our handsome driver.
Mom, are you posting on the YouTube?
And, yeah. And, where are we going? We're going to stay in Toronto.
Yeah.
My mom booked hotel rooms for us. Well, room because it's just one. So, nandito na kami sa hotel. Nag-check-in lang yung mom ko. So, now we're at the hotel. Say hi!
Hello.
Palpak ang 2 rooms, kaya isa lang ang room namin. But anyway, this is outfit check. So cute. Say hi.
I think it's there.
Hands up, carry your love. And now we're going to St. Lawrence Market. So we're just in a train now. Miko. Sit down. You want to sit down?
No.
Ngayon, nandito na kami sa St. Lawrence Market. Mag-iikat lang kami at hanap ng pagkain. Right, baby? Ito, St. Lawrence na to. We can go down here. Ano masasabi mo sa St. Lawrence Market?
Well, I cannot say anything yet because I didn't explore yet.
Ito na nga yung nabiling pagkain. So ngayon, lalabas na kami. And yeah, ready to go out and have dinner. This is my outfit for the day. Ooh, it's a dress. Kamusta, Alama? Hello. Let's go. Bakit ba gusto mo sumakay ng subway? What, subway?
I know you wanted to record me, but I'm telling you the point.
Okay. Ngayon, dito na kami sa Yonge Street sa may Dave's Hot Chicken para mag-dinner. Kaya, ayun. My mom and Cole just ordering. So my brother said he knows all the way in the train station. Miko,
Yeah.
where are we?
Yeah, we're in Dundas, so you have to go to the flats. So you have to go to like one.
Yeah?
You have to go until 4 stops just to get there.
Okay.
Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, St. Andrew?
Yeah.
Oh, why are you so good?
What can you say about that?
So good. Is it the best?
And after St. Andrew,
You know
where
what
are we
the
going?
train in Singapore? North, south, north, east?
Yeah.
He knows.
Knows it all.
Yes.
And all the stops. He looks at the map now.
506 Kennedy. 506 Kennedy.
Ma! Pauwi na! So, ngayon, babalik na kami ng hotel para magpahinga. Pero labas pa kami ni Cole later. Dora the Explorer. Good morning! Graduation ng mom namin. Kaya, nag-ready kami ngayon. Make up by me. Hello. Tulog pa yung isa. Tulog pa ang aking jowa. Happy graduation, Mom! Miko, what can you say to Mom?
Never give up.
And
Try your best.
thank you, Miko. What can you say to my mom, babe?
Congratulations. I'm really proud of you.
Wow.
You're the smartest person I know.
Eddie, wow. And now we're on the way to the Carlu Yonge Street in Toronto. Yeah, here we are.
Yeah, we're going to the longest street.
Okay, let's go.
Kunin muna natin yung ito kasi marami na tao din mamaya. Sige.
Congratulations! She graduated! Congrats, Fleming! It's the third day and the last day and we're going home. Pero pupunta muna kami ni Cole sa coffee shop. Yeah.